Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Lynn, and we're here with the December unboxing of our Boxy charm. So what I'm hoping is, I've seen a lot of people got those magnetic lashes. I'm really hoping I'm one of those few lucky people. Keep your fingers crossed because I have an addiction problem to the magnetic lashes. Joining me is my mom. Usually it's Tristan.
Hello.
Usually it's Tristan. But today it's my mommy. There she is. She's sitting on the couch.
Everybody.
Can you see her? Wait a minute. Can you see her? I can't see. Yeah. There we go. There you go. Okay. So my mom is joining me today to open up this box. There will be more boxes coming in the future, so Tristan can have many more to do, but I don't get a chance to do them with my mom. I've never done one, so she asked. I got it today. We're doing it. Okay. I couldn't wait to do it. All right, so let's open it up. I got the handy dandy slicer. Don't forget, people. Got to be safe. This is the safe thing. It's got that razor blade. It looks plastic, but it really does cut. All right, so let's cut this bad boy open and see what it is. I did cancel my deluxe. The more expensive ones, I canceled them all. So I literally have just 2 more boxes because I had a 6-month subscription. So I'll only have one for January and one for February coming in. Then it's going to be all makeup all the time. No more unboxings. Maybe. Okay, so. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, I probably should have had a magnifying glass because my eyes are garbage. So, the theme is bubbles and glitz. Very nice for New Year's, right? Bubbles and glitz. We'll go after the card. It'll give you the regular prices. We'll do the card after we pull out the things and figure out what they are. Sound good? I'm still looking for a magnifying glass. I actually see one. Yay, hold on. Unmiking time. Got the throwback Juicy Couture on before it was sold out. This is way back. This thing is, it's real fur. This thing is old. It is like, God, I've had this for about 20 years. My jacket, Mom.
I know.
Okay. All right, let me move the box to the side here. I had to put the portal on the desk. And my iPod. All right, first item we're gonna drag out is, it's a palette. It's a HIPDOT palette. HIPDOT.
Yeah.
All right, let's see. I love their packaging because they don't seal one side, so you can literally just slide it out. Usually. Okay, so here it is. Oh my goodness. And it was funny because I was just thinking about doing Priscilla Presley eyes with the blues. Look at these colors, everybody. Can you see that? Oh, let me hide the mirror so you can't see the rest of the bed. Now I'm showing them to my mom so you guys can't see anything because I have to stop and show them to her. But here, this is what they look like. This is what they look like. Showing to Mom again.
Beautiful. I want them.
I can't show you guys and my mom at the same time. So we have a palette. HIPDOT has some pretty good eyeshadows. I am diamond stacked with the palettes. Let me tell you. Somebody went on a Marc Jacobs spree. I'm not going to say who, but her name could be Chicago. And Laura Lee. She sent me something, so I'll be uploading a video soon with that, so you'll see. I have no makeup on because I'm going to be doing makeup things. Next thing is, for Lauren, Brazilian Kiss. She cannot have too many of these. I have her addicted to these. This is her favorite thing. It's the smell, and this color is... Oh, it's the Cupuacu. This is the first one I had her turned on to. It's this color. It's just a lip tint, but it smells like heaven, like coconut. It's very nice, and it stands like this. So this is from Sol de Janeiro. They make the Bum Bum Cream. Now. Okay, so that's going to my daughter in her Christmas stocking. What is this? What do you think is in here? I'm betting brushes. I think brushes. I think brushes. Seems like 'tis the season to send me brushes. It's like the universe is sending me a hint. Do some looks, Lynn. Ooh, this feels nice. Feels like a leatherette kind of pouch. Kind of suede-y. Red. Ooh. Nice. Wow. Oh my God, I have been wanting this brush. I have been seeking this brush. This very specific brush. This is a $20 brush. I have been seeking this brush. I have a NARS one just for highlights. This powder brush, I have been seeking it. So we have face brushes, we have face powder, foundation, eyes. What a nice set and what a nice presentation. Red and gold for Christmas. Well, unfortunately, if I snag this out and give it to somebody, they're going to know they're missing a brush. Then again, I could do it to a family member and they would forgive me because they know my miserly ways. It's sweating! Item number 4. Bubble wrap. Ooh, you can't see through the... Okay, well, I guess we have to unbubble wrap it. Really? Taped to the gods. It's glass. Oh, temple rub. I think I see something. Who is calling me? I hung up on him. I apologize for that. I'm not going to stop the video to answer the phone. Somebody trying to call my house phone. All right, so this is Temple Rub. This is by the Lyfestyle Company. It's calming. It's an oil that you put on. It's made in America. You put it on and you rub it on your temples. Is this something you would like, Mom?
It is. It is. It's like...
Oh, and it's rollerball.
Yeah. Yeah, it's good. You rub it if you start getting a headache.
Okay, so this will have a home with my mom.
Yay!
Very nice. Very, very nice. Okay.
Thank you, daughter.
Yeah, it's kind of eucalyptus-y.
Oh, my fave.
I know it is. Oh my gosh, and we got a full-size Sunday Riley in this house. Look at this. We got a full-size Good Jeans Sunday Riley. Sunday Riley is a wonderful manufacturer of skincare. There's so many good ones now. This is all-in-one lactic acid treatment. You know how I like doing the chemical peels? I have so many more acids coming. So this is deeply exfoliate the dull surface. Okay, so this gets down deep and it just burns everything, so your skin peels. So all the scarring, and this one actually I might give to Lauren for the scars that she has. I already gave her my other acid peel stuff. I love this. I already have this. This is like, it's $90 a bottle. This is glycolic mica, arginine, urea, shea butter. It's glycolic acid day moisturizer. I actually have it in a nighttime face But you know what? They're interchangeable.
Okay. And what does that do?
This you put it on and it sloughs your old skin. It's for wrinkles and it puts back a little bit of collagen. No. Oh, sorry.
I got more wrinkles than you.
I don't think so. My forehead just looks like somebody took a max to it. And I think that almost done. Okay, so here, this is Iconic. So this must have been, I don't know, it was the black box. So I got Iconic London, very holiday-ish.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's a face palette. Ooh. Oh, you could use these for eyes too. So this would be like a bronzer. This would be for contour. These would be for blushes. This could be highlighting the eyes. Or you could even use these as eyeshadows. There's no rules. Oh, I just stuck my fingernail into it. Look at that. I just stuck my fingernail into it. Ooh, it's nice and suede-y. You can see where my finger went. Iconic London. I like the cosmetics they make in London. It's a different way that they make them in America. Is that it? No, hold on. Oh, I got the Beauty Teeth Whitening Kit.
Ah.
Beauty Teeth, what is that? Oh, I wanted them lashes. That's the universe telling me, Chic, you got enough lashes. So this is how this looks. You have a syringe full of whitener. You put them in, and then you do that with the UV. Well, you don't care. You got your teeth on lock. You got your teeth on lock. Your teeth is white. So this is probably a 1 month's worth. Brush and floss, LED light, remove batteries, attach to your mouth, whitening gel top and bottom. Insert it for 15 minutes, then rinse it. Well, hopefully it's not like that old stuff. You know, upside down. The mint drops from back in the 70s because it ate all the enamel off your feet. Enamel drops.
Yeah, that's why I'm wondering about these things. If it would interfere with your enamel at a certain stage.
You don't have any enamel.
No, I'm speaking of you, honey.
What, you mean this thing?
Mm-hmm.
I've done crest white strips and everything else. I've done many things.
Okay.
I've done many things.
I'm just checking.
55 years old. And I got mom up my butt. Never ends.
Forever.
Okay, so this Face Chase palette that I stuck my finger in, but from Iconic London. This guy is $55. Okay. Sunday Riley, the Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment at Sunday Riley. This is $85. This is an $85 product. So we have 55 and 85. The HIPDOT Pressed Eyeshadow Palette is $30. So this palette is $30. The LUXIE Glitter and... Okay, so it's LUXIE brand. Okay, that's a good brand. It doesn't say LUXIE anywhere. LUXIE is a good brand of brushes. They're a little bit out of my league, but now they're not because I have them. $85 for this set, Mom. 85 buckies.
Craziness.
Well, I knew they were expensive because I couldn't afford them. Well, I could, but I wouldn't. The Glam Smile set. This one is $89. Avant Skincare. Oh, okay. The Intensive Glycolic Acid Day Moisturizer. This one's $123. I have the night one that's like $90. So this one's $123. The Sol de Janeiro with the Bum Bum Cream. This one is, I think, $20. $20. And the Natural Calming Rub is $24. So I spent $35. Are you adding it?
I'm adding it. Give me a moment.
Okay. It's worth a couple of $100. And this one, okay, so this is weird. I have a C20124414-LX with a heart. So they're not giving out the Oh, and if you want, you can go to www.boxycharm.com/promotions for special offers from this month's featured brands, which would be the Lifestyle Company, Sol de Janeiro, Avant Skincare, Beauty Company, LUXIE, HIPDOT, Sunday Riley, and Iconic London. So you can always go there and check. So what do you think it was, Mom? It's at least a couple $100 in this box.
I think it's a little bit more than that.
Yeah, I think a couple $100. So the Sunday Riley, this multitasking,
$511.
$511 for a $35 investment. That's what I'm talking about. That's capitalism at its finest. But it's good because it opened up my eyes to all sorts of new skin products that I never would have known existed and I never would have bought because they were so costly. And joining a club like this makes things that are so expensive and out of my reach affordable to me. So I can try it. I mean, look, my skin, I've been using, I've been doing the chemical peel on my own, but I've been using this other stuff and using it nightly and daily and just making sure I moisturize. And it looks good. Nothing will make these eyebrows grow back, so don't even start. Nothing. So, but yeah, my skin just looks really good for being as old as I am. Yep. So now I need to work on the décolleté. The problem is women who have big boobs and they sleep on their side, they get those wrinkles. So I've been trying. Because sleeping in a bra is like, nobody wants to. Okay, so thank you very much for joining me. Mom, you want to say goodbye to the peoples? Say goodbye, peoples.
Goodbye, y'all, and I hope you enjoyed this video.
Me too. So if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button, hit the like, and yeah, hopefully I'll bring you more unboxings. But I want to do makeup tutorials because I want to learn and I want to get better. I really do. I want to get better. I watch a little bit of everything. And when you're working with older people like me, if I had started this in my 20s and 30s, I'd be like knocking it out. But you know, you got the droops and you know the hooded lids, and older women face a whole different set of skin circumstances that the 20-year-old bloggers and the 30-year-old girls, they don't have those things. They have nice tight eyes, so they can just, do that back and forth real quick with the, eyeshadow brushes. But I don't have that ability because of my age. So thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye. Or not.